Hello again. This is Mr. Shredder and Jack here for your daily PE challenges. The one today is called Bowling for Accuracy. That's the name. And as you can see, we've got some targets down on the floor here with different scores on them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 9 targets in total. Now, this is the complicated bit where you have to listen when you're setting out your activity. On your 9 bits of paper, you need to write 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to write 4 5s. You need to write 4 10s, and you need to write 1 20. And then you're going to arrange them on the floor with your 4 5s on the outside, so 2 on the right, 2 on the left. Then you've got your 2 10s inside those. And the middle target that you need to hit in this game is going to be your 20. So the middle target is the most points you can score. If you hit the ones on the outside, they'll be your 5 points. They're the least points you can score. So, as you can see over here, we've got a marker. In this case, we have got something that you hopefully will have at home, a toilet roll. We're going to put that down there, and that's where we're going to stand. So, with my 5 tennis balls, I'm going to see how many points I can score. So, obviously, there are 4 5s down, so it might be that I just want to play safe and try and hit my 4 number 5s that I've got on the floor. There are also 4 10s. I might want to go for those. Or if I'm feeling really ambitious, I might want to go for the 20 points every time. But bear in mind, there's only one of those. So you're right to keep score?
Yeah, let's go.
It's going to be lots of 20s. So, rolling my first ball, yes.
20.
Got over 20. Oh, 10. Oh, that's generous. Thank you, Jack.
Generous.
So that's 30 in total. Yes.
20. 50.
So 50. There's a bit of maths involved here as well.
No, I'm not giving you that one.
What?
No.
So I'm on 50. I've got one left. Come on, the 20. Yes.
Yeah.
So 70 points in total with my 5 tennis balls. So can you beat my score at home? Hopefully not.
Right, the next progression is that now you are going to be striking the ball with your feet instead of rolling the ball, okay? This time we're going to be going against the clock, okay? So you're going to have 30 seconds to see how many points you can get. So obviously when you're doing this, you need to think about, if I kick the ball as hard as I can, it's going to take me longer to then try and run and get the ball. So we need to think about how much power we're using to strike the ball. Okay, let's give it a go. Right, 30 seconds.
Jack, have you only got one ball this time?
I only got one ball.
Oh, so you have to collect it.
So once you've kicked it,
okay.
you've got to go and get it.
Okay, alright.
30 seconds. You're right to keep an eye on the
Yeah,
clock.
keep on, get the time.
3, 2, 1, go. There's 20. Go back. There's another 20.
Oh, that's good. It's good.
One. Oh,
Yeah,
that's that one.
that's 20.
60 points.
Just don't score any more, Jack. Don't beat 70, will you?
Oh, there's 70. How much longer have we got?
I'm tempted to say time's up. You've got probably one more go, one more go. Oh, yeah, that's definitely 10.
10.
Definitely 10. Well done, Jack.
80 points.
I'm a little bit disappointed to beat the score again. Well done, mate.
If you find that a little bit too easy, it may be that you try and challenge yourself by making the distance a little bit bigger. So I might put my starting point a little bit further away from the points to just make it a little bit harder.
Something else you could do, those of you who might be keen golfers at home, you could potentially get your putter and play exactly or set your game up exactly as we have done here, but you just putt your golf ball at your targets instead. So same game really, but just using something else to strike the ball with. Okay, so good luck with this one. Hope you have fun with it at home. See you next time.